Testleaf builds specialized career in automation, and we are a preferred career transition company for many. In recent times, the need for automation skill have grown beyond expectations. With that said, the salaries for the high tech skills have grown rapidly higher. At Testleaf, we strongly believe online learning will be the way to fasten your career path.
Hi friends, this is Padmavati. I have 10 years of experience in IT. I completed my BSc graduate in 2012 and joined Cognizant. Through a friend, I joined Testleaf. So Testleaf made my life beautiful. So I joined Selenium here, followed by APM. APM gave me an opportunity to move into Renault Nissan with a 100% hike. Always be ahead.
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 Always be ahead.